Now the polls have opened in two eastern states of Germany in elections which the far right is expected to perform strongly. Thousands of demonstrators took part in rallies in Saxony and Thea on Saturday. The anti-immigrant Alternative for Germany party or is expected to do well in the election. In the city of Airport, protesters denounced as fascist. Police say around 2,000 people attended anti-right rallies in Dresden. At a rally, one of the party leaders told supporters that Germany needed controlled borders and the expulsions of illegal immigrants. It's thought the party could emerge as the largest in the world. Our Europe correspondent Jess Parker has more. These are regional, not national elections. Nevertheless, they could, he says, make here in thing for far right Alternative for Dudes Land has been leading the polls and running a close second in Saxony. However, because many view the party is extremist, something they reject, they struggle to find coalition partners in order to actually take power. The man who heads up the here in thing is a highly controversial figure called Hooker. He is a talisman of the party hard right and has twice been fined this year for knowingly using a Nazi slogan, something he denied. This vote may also deliver a major repudiation of the government in Berlin under Chancellor. In East Germany, these protesters are right Nazis out. They shout the far right is rising here in Thea, and for the first time since the Nazis and extreme right parties expected to win the most seats in the state parliament. I come today because there is a fascist danger in Germany. Not only in Germany, it's spreading all over the world, in Europe especially, and in Germany, and we are here to set a sign against the fascist danger. Why do you think they become popular? Though they are very angry about the government and they think they can protest against the government by voting for this is why they are right. The Beyond Hooker and his far right party is on track to get around 30% of the vote here. Anti-immigration, Russian friendly, Eurosceptic Germany first, a man labeled a fascist from a party branch. Security services says extremist, but whose supporters believe is Germany future. There is the only party that does something for the people. Martin says people say B. Hooker is a fascist or he is dangerous. No, you think he is okay. He is okay. It's propaganda. If what you are hearing sounds familiar, it's because it is whether it's concerns about immigration or a feeling that mainstream politicians have forgotten the issues which are fueling the far right here in Germany are also fueling it across Europe. The arrest of an asylum seeker our last week's fatal knife attack in Zingan has bolstered the anti-immigration stance there. Closest competitions, the Christian Democrats have also taken a harder line on asylum seekers in a bid for votes, where dissatisfaction feeds the far right. Unrest within the society leads to a much more increase in populists on the far right and on the far left, and this all together formulates that say a magical formula for right now a very stable political situation. While it's unlikely they will get total control of the parliament here, this vote has highlighted the deepening divisions in society and fears for the right strengthening its grip in Germany. Thank you so much.